Ho, ho, ho! I'm here at bakersgas.com to stock up on all the great presents for the boys and girls. Let's go inside and see what we can find. Miller Multimatic 215. I've seen that on lots of people's Christmas lists this year. Got to get a couple of those. And we got a Millermatic 252. That's for the big guys. That's a good one. And the 211. That's an all-time bestseller right there. Ah, look at that. The Thermodynamics Cutmaster 60i. The beast. Comes with the all-new edge regulator. Grab a couple of these performer kits. Everybody will like these. Talking about the ESAB Rebel. Bobby and Joey are going to need that. And the Rebel 215. I hear this does MIG, TIG, and stick. That's a good one too. Hypertherm plasma cutters. I bet these bad boys can cut through Mrs. Claus's cookies. Woo! Terrible. Santa Bruce gives this good. He needs a forklift, not a sleigh. I've got my list here. I've already checked it twice. Let's get this stuff loaded up. I need 12 Viking helmets. I need 16 Sentinel helmets. 27 Miller Infinity helmets. 4 Squarewaves. And 6 252s. Baker's Gas has the biggest warehouse. Miller gloves, machine covers, and welding jackets. All for you good boys and girls. Santa here with a quick rundown of the top 4 welding gifts. We've got multi-process welding machines. Baker's Gas has the ESAB Rebel, the Multimatic 215, and the Lincoln Power MIG 210. Number 2, we have welding helmets by ESAB, Lincoln, and Miller. Number 3, Victor cutting kits. Number 4, great stocking stuffers with the Flak Finger and welding gloves. And for all not great welders out there, the Tabo grinders. I always get my welding supplies from bakersgas.com. They got a bunch of helpful elves inside. Just give them a call, 877-930-5690.